Springbok captain Siya Kolisi has once again caught the attention of Mzansi, this time not on the rugby field, but thousands of kilometers away in Zimbabwe. Siya is currently on a vacation soaking in the breathtaking beauty of Victoria Falls, one of Africa's most iconic natural wonders, away from packed stadiums, training sessions, and a constant public scrutiny. The rugby star appears to be embracing a slower, more peaceful pace of life. What sparked even more conversation online is that Siya is reportedly on this getaway with his new girlfriend, Rachel, marking a noticeable shift in his personal journey. This comes shortly after Siya and Rachel Smith Kolisi officially confirmed their divorce, bringing to a close a marriage that many admired for its authenticity, shared values, and a strong family focus. The former couple made it clear that their separation was handled with mutual respect, growth, and a continued commitment to co-parenting their children. Now, as Siya steps into this new chapter, this quiet escape feels symbolic, a moment of reflection, healing, and a personal reset. Divorce is never easy, especially under the spotlight, but life moves forward and new beginnings often arrive quietly. For now, Siya seems to be choosing nature, travel, and a perspective as he navigates what comes next. Mzansi, what are your thoughts? Is this the calm before a powerful comeback, or simply a well-deserved break? Drop your views in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe. I will catch you in my next episode.